Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable the autoplay on Facebook. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So for example, you're not the type of person that is fan of when you're scrolling in or here on Facebook, you don't want videos autoplaying, okay? So let's get started. So first, you want to open your Facebook app. Go to your menu button or these three little lines at the lower right corner of your screen, and you want to scroll down until you see settings and privacy. So just go ahead and click that, and here you want to choose cellular data use, and here you can see autoplay section. So just go ahead and choose never autoplay videos, and that will disable the autoplay videos on your Facebook application. So now, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.